So, sentence structure part 2. We just were talking about the blue dress. If we need to describe it, we're going to use adjectives or adverbs. If it's not a dress, if we're talking about the puppy, then we're going to maybe use the verbs about how it's bouncing around or how it likes to lick or whatever. So those are going to go, we're going to discuss those more in Unit 2. So those are going to come, but we're just not quite to that yet. Another piece of formatting difference or grammar difference between ASL that you guys need to know about is with questions. In English, we typically put the why at the beginning, like what did you do, where did you go, why did you do it? The WH typically goes at the beginning. Why did you decide to take ASL 2? In ASL, it typically goes at the end. You decided to take ASL 2. Why? And remember, if it's a WH question, your eyebrows go down. So basically, you just state the fact. You decided to take ASL 2. Why? And you've got yourself a question. So again, there's no having to reformat words. You just say your sentence and then add a question to it. One more tip about that is pretty cool is ASL really doesn't have the word because. You just use why. So I was late to my appointment because I got a flat tire. A simple way you could do it, there are different ways you could do it, but a simple way you could do it is I was late to my appointment. Why? I had a flat tire. So whenever you have a because in your mind, just swap it out and just go why, and then go on with your sentence or with whatever your story is. Now, with all of that, I really want to stress to you guys, you have your written assignment that's coming up. I'm going to do about another video here, and we're going to go over about a dozen questions, maybe a little bit more in detail. We're going to talk about how you can change the word order, and there's 2 different ways you can do the sentences, and then we're going to do some questions. I really want you to take notes on it, because then you're going to do your written assignment. When you do your written assignment, again, take notes on it, because your written assignment is then what you are going to do for your production. So if you get your written assignment all out and ready and you know what you're doing on your written assignment, you have a huge portion of your work done for your productive. Then all you have to do is make sure you know how to sign all your words, and then you can just sign it for me. If you don't, then you're going to look at the sentences and have to figure out how the word order to put them in. But what I've done is your written assignment is get your sentences in the right word order, and now your productive is sign them. So don't make yourself extra work. Do the work in the written, and then take that, and then you're going to sign them to me. So make sure you're doing the work the way that I've set it out for you, because you'll learn, and then you won't have extra work to do, okay?